Hello everyone. You know what? Sometimes I feel I should thanks to social media. I have got so many messages on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger that chef please make mushroom tikka for us. तो मैंने भी सोचा बहुत दिन हो गए कोई वीडियो भी नहीं डाली और मशरूम टिक्का बहुत ही अच्छी रेसिपी है कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है बहुत ही सिंपल रेसिपी है सो लेट्स गेट इनटू आवर किचन एंड लेट्स प्रिपेयर आवर डिलीशियस मशरूम टिक्का. So first I will tell you what ingredients I have used in mushroom tikka. This is diced onions. This is green capsicum, yellow and red bell pepper. This is curd. I have removed excess water present in curd. We need thick curd for mushroom tikka. These are mushrooms. I have removed excess stems of mushrooms. You can see. See, we need only this much stem. This is besan. These are some spices. I will show you one by one. This is turmeric powder, that is haldi. This is coriander powder, that is dhania powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. This is kasuri methi, carom seeds, that is ajwain. This is roasted jeera powder and salt. These are the spices I have used. This is wooden sticks that we'll use for mushroom tikka. And at last we have used oil. So let's start making our marination. First we'll add thick curd in bowl. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons besan. After this we'll add some spices. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon cumin powder. Half a tablespoon carom seeds, that is ajwain. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Half a tablespoon salt. At last we'll add some crushed kasuri methi. We'll take it in our hands. This is crush it. Add it. Now we will mix this mixture with the help of whisker. Make it a smooth paste. Mixture is ready now. We'll add diced onions in it. Add diced bell pepper, green color, red color and yellow color. That's it. And at last we will add mushrooms. This is very simple recipe, no rocket science is there. And now we'll add 2 tablespoons oil in it. So now we will mix this ingredients, gently lift it and fold it. That's it. See, lift it from here and fold it. Now keep this marinated mushroom in a fridge for at least 15 to 20 minutes for better taste. So now I have already kept this marinated mushroom tikka in fridge for 20 minutes. Now we will place our mushroom tikka on this wooden stick. First check any marinated bell pepper or onion. Insert like this. After this, take mushroom. This onion and bell pepper will hold your mushroom tikka very well. Now take again one onion. Again place mushroom tikka. Take again onion or bell pepper. I will show you one more. So now our mushroom tikka stems are ready. We will roast them. Take pan, add oil, bring it to heat. Swirl the pan. So now our oil is heated. We will place our mushroom tikkas one by one, like this. See, this looks so tempting. We will change the sides after every 20 seconds. Now what we have to do, we have to remove these sticks after 5 minutes. This is not cooked. Wait a second. Now we have to remove the pan. Now we'll keep this mushroom tikka directly on flame, like this. See how delicious this looks like.
Everything I feel had a limit, it now gone past. Finding reasons to smile and to laugh, and whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid.
So our delicious mushroom tikka is ready now. We will plate it. Hope you like this delicious recipe. Do watch, like, share and subscribe my channel for more recipes. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you.